Are you looking for ways to maximize your productivity? We've compiled the ultimate guide to the top AI tools designed to save you time and streamline your workflow. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a practical solution for automating mundane tasks and boosting efficiency across various fields. Leveraging AI for productivity means offloading repetitive work, reducing errors, and freeing up your valuable time for strategic, creative, and high-impact tasks. From content creation to data analysis and scheduling, we'll explore specific AI tools that deliver real-time savings and efficiency gains. First up, let's look at how AI is revolutionizing content creation and writing, helping you produce high-quality material faster than ever. Generative AI tools can quickly create drafts, outlines, and initial content structures, saving hours on brainstorming and starting from a blank page. AI-powered grammar and style checkers ensure your writing is flawless and professional, eliminating the need for tedious manual proofreading. Next, let's explore how AI handles the heavy lifting in data analysis and reporting, turning raw numbers into actionable insights quickly. AI tools can process massive data sets in minutes, performing complex calculations and identifying patterns far quicker than human analysts. From the processed data, AI can automatically generate detailed reports and summaries, giving you the time back to focus on interpretation and strategy. Time is precious, and AI excels at managing it. Discover how AI assists with scheduling and task management for an optimized day. Smart calendar assistants use AI to find the optimal time for meetings, considering preferences, travel time, and conflicts, making scheduling seamless. AI-powered task management tools analyze deadlines and importance to prioritize your to-do list, ensuring you tackle the most critical items first. In customer service and communication, AI dramatically speeds up response times and frees up support teams for complex inquiries. Chatbots handle routine customer queries instantly, providing 24/7 support and drastically reducing waiting times for customers and support staff. AI tools can automatically sort your emails, highlight urgent messages, and even suggest draft replies, making inbox management efficient and fast. To get the most out of these tools, integrate them seamlessly into your daily operations. The combined power of these technologies is truly transformative. These AI tools result in saved time, increased accuracy, reduced operational costs, and higher employee focus on meaningful work. Start experimenting with these top AI tools and take control of your time. The future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI.